Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
I'm waiting for my bus right now, and I thought it would be nice to chat while we wait. Do you come to this bus stop often?
Yes, I do. I take this bus every morning to go to work. It's my usual routine. Sometimes waiting here gives me a chance to relax and talk to new people.
That's true. I like talking to strangers while waiting. It makes the time pass quickly. I was just looking at the sky. Today is a sunny day, and it makes me feel cheerful.
I agree. A sunny day makes waiting less boring. The weather is perfect, and the bus seems to be on time. By the way, my name is Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Alice. So, what do you usually do on the bus?
I usually listen to music or catch up on the news on my phone. Sometimes I even read a book. It helps me relax before work. How about you?
I like to listen to podcasts and sometimes chat with other passengers if they seem friendly. I also check my emails, but I try not to spend too much time on my phone.
That sounds like a good balance. I think it's important to use waiting time wisely. Do you have any favorite podcasts or music you listen to?
Yes, I love a podcast about travel and culture. It tells stories about different cities and traditions. And I enjoy classical music when I want to feel calm. What type of music do you listen to?
I listen mostly to pop and a bit of rock. It energizes me for the day ahead. Sometimes I also listen to news podcasts to stay updated on current events.
That's interesting. I sometimes listen to upbeat music in the morning. It really sets a positive tone.
Definitely. By the way, do you usually take the bus to work or school?
I take the bus to my office. It is very convenient because I live close to this stop. The bus service is quite reliable. How about you?
I work downtown, so I use the bus every day. I like that it is affordable and that I can avoid traffic.
Yes, public transport is very useful. Sometimes I also take the subway, but I prefer the bus because I can see the city outside.
I understand. Watching the city go by can be very relaxing. I sometimes see interesting people or events while on the bus.
That's true. I remember one time I saw a street performer playing a guitar right outside the bus stop. It was very entertaining, and I stopped to listen for a few minutes.
That must have been a lovely moment. Street performers always add charm to the city. I enjoy when they play. It makes me appreciate the creativity around us.
I agree. And sometimes I even chat with the bus driver. He is very friendly and always greets us with a smile.
That's nice. I like to thank the driver as well, and I sometimes ask him about the bus schedule if I have any questions. It shows that we care about the service.
Exactly. Good communication with service staff makes the whole experience better. Speaking of which, have you ever had any interesting conversations with other passengers?
Yes, once I spoke with a lady who was also waiting for the bus. She told me about a new restaurant that just opened nearby. I was curious and asked for more details.
Oh, that's interesting. I often ask people about local events or places to eat. It's a good way to learn about hidden gems in the city.
Yes, and sometimes those conversations lead to new friendships. I met a friend last year at this bus stop, and we still chat on our way to work.
That is wonderful. I feel that these small interactions make the daily commute more pleasant. It is like being part of a little community.
I agree. Although waiting for a bus can sometimes be boring, chatting with friendly people makes it enjoyable.
Absolutely. And sometimes I learn something new. For example, today I learned that there is a community garden near the bus stop. I might visit it later this week.
A community garden sounds great. It is a lovely way to see local efforts for a greener city. I would like to visit it too, if I have time.
It is amazing how public transport not only takes us from one place to another, but also connects us with our community.
That is very true. I feel that every day, while waiting, I have a chance to see a different side of the city and to hear different stories from the people around me.
Yes, and these conversations sometimes remind me of my childhood. I used to wait for the bus with my friends and talk about our day, our favorite cartoons, and even our dreams.
I remember those days well. Waiting for the bus was fun because we were curious about what the day would bring. Now, even though we are older, those moments of connection remain important.
They really do. I sometimes think that the simple act of waiting together creates a sense of belonging. It makes the everyday routine more meaningful.
I couldn't agree more, Alice. It is not just about waiting for transportation. It is about sharing life's small moments.
Exactly. I also like how waiting at the bus stop gives me time to reflect on my day. I sometimes think about my plans for the evening or what I want to do on the weekend.
I do that too. I often plan my day while I wait. I think about my work, my hobbies, and sometimes I even write a few ideas on my phone. It makes the waiting time productive.
That is a good habit. I sometimes write a short note about something interesting I heard from someone at the bus stop. It reminds me that every conversation can be a learning experience.
Yes, every day brings new insights. I believe that by talking to different people, we can see the world from many perspectives.
I feel very lucky to have these moments. They make the mundane parts of our day a little more exciting.
Absolutely, Alice. Our conversation has made me appreciate waiting for the bus even more. I now see it as a chance to relax, learn, and connect.
Thank you for this lovely chat, Mark. I enjoy our conversations, and they always brighten my day.
Thank you, Alice. I'm glad we talked. I hope the bus comes soon so we can continue our conversation, or maybe plan to meet again on our daily commute.
That would be nice. I look forward to chatting with you again tomorrow.
Me too, Alice. Have a wonderful day and safe travels when the bus arrives.
You as well, Mark. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.